So in part B, we need to find the median of x. We know the median is simply when the air, so we need to find a value of like the x value. So we need to find this 0 to m. So if we take the integral from 0 to m of this density function, we should get 0.5. That's by definition the median. And from part A, we have found that k is equal to the cube root of 6/7. So we need to find a value. From where to where do we need to integrate so that the area becomes a half? So firstly, to do that, what we should do is determine where this function could cross 0.5. As here we have a piecewise function, it's important to see whether the area of the first part is already 0.5, because then we need to search for this value of m within the first half of the piecewise function. So we can plot piecewise functions here actually. So if we plot this, we can see visually where 0.5 has to be. It's smaller than k. Okay, and then the second one is 2 times k x minus x squared, and this goes from k all the way to 2k. Okay, so we get this nice little function here. So let's zoom in a little bit so you can see what's going on. Let's make x min minus 1, x max 2, y min minus 1, and y max 2. Okay, we don't really care about this function, so I'll just put it away. And let's say analyze graph, and we want to find the integral, let's say from 0 to like the midpoint over here. We see that it doesn't quite cross it yet, so we see that we reach 0.5 somewhere in this second region, so this second part of the graph. So we need to find this new integral. So what we can say now is that we can write up a integral for this. So we need to find the integral 0 from m, so from the second region we are going, until the maximum, which is 2 times k, so 2 times the cube root of 6/7, and then this function is 2 times cube root 6/7 x minus x squared dx is equal to 0.5. So pretty much what we are doing here, we want to find this value of m such that this region here will be 0.5, as obviously the other side will also be 0.5 then. So we can do this with our calculator as well. We simply need to go into a calculator and write this integral up in a numerical solve part. So menu, calculus, integral from m to 2 times k, and then over here we have 2 times k x minus x squared, and then dx. We know this is going to be equal to 0.5. We want to solve for m, and we want to get positive values of m. So we find that m has to be equal to 1.03. And so that is the median.